Good evening mga kaberkada. Welcome to day 5 of our beer. We have 184 days left until the bar. Hapit na gyud. Most reviewees fail because they try to study 12 hours on day 1 and burn out before the first month ends. Today, we introduce the beer progression, ang sekreto sa pagbuo ng stamina without breaking your mind. Our anchor for today is Proverbs 4 verse 18. Your review should not be a sudden, overwhelming flash of light that burns you up. It should be like morning sun, starting gentle and growing ever brighter as your capacity increases. We are moving from a beginning pace to relentless deep. Don't be afraid to start small. As long as you are moving forward, you are on the right path. Huwag pilitin ang tanghaling tapat kung madaling araw pa lang. Trust the process and follow the orderly way of beer progression, because a steady progression leads to the full light of your success. Dito tayo sa framework ng ating progression. We don't just read, we train our minds to handle the weight of the bar. To do everything in an orderly way, kailangan nating dumaan sa apat na stages ng growth. First is the beginning phase. This is where we focus on sustainability and habit formation. Once the habit is locked in, we move to the expanding load. This is the stage where we gradually increase the hours and the volume of topics. Dungaga na to ang karga. Third, we reach elevated focus. Ito na yung stage where we sharpen our precision on technical provisions. And finally, arrive at relentless depth. Kini ang kinauyukan. This is your peak performance where you are diving deep into the most complex roots of the law. Each stage is designed to prepare you for the next. By following the progression, you ensure that you don't burn out before the exam. Trust this orderly way because steady progression leads to the full light of your success. Dito na tayo sa unang stage, beginning phase. Sa unang 2 linggo ng iyong review, don't worry about reading 50 pages a day. Ang priority natin dito is habit over volume. Consistency is the goal. It is better to study for 4 hours every day than to study 12 hours once and quit for a week. Pair this with the circadian alignment. Pangitaa ang imong peak hours. Find the time when your brain is naturally sharp, whether it's 4 a.m. or 8 p.m., and protect that slot for your review. Finally, low resistance entry. Don't start with the hardest topic. Start with a big picture to build momentum. Kapag madali ang simula, mas madali itong ulit-ulitin. You are building the orderly way of showing up. Don't rush the sunrise. Start with a pace you can maintain. Huwag mong pilitin ang tanghaling tapat kung madaling araw pa lang. Trust the beginning pace because a steady progression leads to the full light of your success. Moving on to the second stage, expanding load. Once the habit is established, it's time to increase the intensity. Hindi pwedeng relax lang forever. We start with structural integration. Now, you start connecting the essential pillars to the big picture. You are no longer just looking at the isolated rules. You are seeing how the whole system works together. Pair this with active recall stacking. Before you open a new topic, spend 15 minutes stacking or recalling what you studied yesterday to ensure it sticks. Finally, we apply incremental resistance. Just like training for a marathon, you add 30 minutes to your study blocks every week. You are stretching your mental muscle to handle more volume without breaking your focus. This is the orderly way of growing stronger. As you expand your load, you are preparing your mind for the heat of the battle. Huwag mong pilitin ang tanghaling tapat kung madaling araw pa lang. Stay consistent with the expansion because a steady progression leads to the full light of your success. Pangatlo, elevated focus. Dito na tayo sa technical phase. This is the stage where your review becomes high definition. We aren't just reading anymore. We are aiming for syllabus saturation. Syllabus saturation means you own the territory. Every subtopic under your pillars must be covered. Once you are saturated, you move to precision drilling. Focus strictly on the triggers and the compliance checklist we discussed in day 4. You are drilling until the rules become second nature. Finally, execute this through deep work blocks. No phones, no social media. You spend 90 minutes of pure uninterrupted concentration. This is the orderly way of managing your mental energy. You are training your brain to stay sharp for long periods. The sun is getting higher and your focus must be sharper. Master the elevation because a steady progression leads to the full life of your success. Finally, we reach the fourth and final stage, relentless dip. Ito na ang peak review. Dito na lumalabas ang tunay na bunga ng iyong disiplina mula day 1. We are no longer just studying. We are aiming for mastery. Mastery means you are dominating the roots, the exceptions, and the alarm cases that others miss. You combine this with immersion. You are living and breathing the law. Your mind is now fully conditioned to think like a lawyer in an orderly way. Lastly, we build exam simulated stamina. This is where you push for 10 or more hours of high level concentration. You are training your brain to stay sharp, precise, and relentless, exactly like the actual bar exam days. Remember our verse from the start? Proverbs chapter 4, 4 verse 18 says that the path of the righteous is like the morning sun. Sa sugod, bidlisiw lang. You started with a small gentle light at your beginning phase. But because of you followed an orderly progression, you have now reached the full light of the day. You are no longer in the shadows of doubt. You are standing in the brightness of relentless deep. Huwag mong pilitin ang tanghaling tapat kung madaling araw pa lang. Trust the sunrise. Follow the beer progression because a steady progression leads to the full light of your success. See you on day 6. Good evening.